Hey everybody, Nathan here at our listing at 461 South State Road, Highway 335 in Pekin, Indiana. If you're looking for an executive style house with over 4,000 square feet, a full basement, 2-car attached garage and 2-car detached garage, you'll definitely want to check this one out. Let's go inside and take a look. All right, this house was built in 1989 by my grandparents and my dad and several friends that helped them build the house back then. My grandparents lived here since that time and just recently moved out. After they moved, we decided to do several upgrades to the home, including new carpet, new paint, a lot of new trim, and new paint on the trim and all kinds of good stuff like that. This is a study, which would be great for anybody looking to work from home. It could also be converted to another bedroom for a 4th bedroom, and there's several options for that in this house if that's something you're looking for. Come in down the hallway here to the great room with the large brick fireplace. New windows, new paint, and you can see in the formal dining room, you can see the large doors that walk out to the back deck with an amazing view of the lake, especially this time of year with the leaves off. You can see Jordan Lake here in Pekin, so really great view. And the deck is a double-decker, so it steps down into a second part. So plenty of room for your grill, your swing, for entertaining, anything like that. We've got, again, new paint in here, new light fixtures. We'll walk into the kitchen. Really large kitchen. New appliances. Got the cherry cabinets. Again, new windows there. We've got the new light fixtures, more cabinetry, custom cabinetry. And again, another great view of the lake with the bay window. And a perfect place here for a large kitchen table. And if you wanted to add an island, there's plenty of room to add an island here. Walk on down the hallway this direction and you'll come to probably the biggest pantry that you'll ever see. 8 large shelves in here, plenty of room for anything that you want to store, but it's a great pantry, really oversized there. We've got a half bath on the main level. And then we've got the laundry room. Good sized laundry room with cabinets. Again, we've got the new window, the paved drive, and you can see the garage out that direction. We also have the attached 2-car garage. And then as we go back towards the kitchen, if you take a left, you'll see more of a formal living room. Really large space here. Again, the house is over 4,000 square feet, so a lot of room. But then we've got the custom staircase going to the upstairs. And a lot of hard work was put into this by my grandpa with the steps and spindles and finishing the spindles and all the wood. It's a really nice custom staircase, and you don't see a lot of these anymore, especially in the new construction homes. Go upstairs, we've got 2 bedrooms on this end. Again, really good sized rooms. These aren't the 10 by 12 rooms that you'll find in the new construction houses. These are oversized bedrooms. Again, new paint, new windows, view of the lake, view of the deck. Large closets. Then we go down the little hallway here to the First upstairs bathroom, full bath with a shower. And then we go into the master bedroom. Really large master. And then it even has a sitting room off of it. So again, this could be another workspace, a home office. It's got built-in shelves over here. And you can see out the front. But again, this could be a great home office, and then downstairs could be used for something else. But you've got your master bedroom, and then we'll go into the master bath. Master bath has plenty of cabinets, large oversized vanity, new shower, new toilet. And then this also has a very large walk-in closet. So not only do you have the sitting room, but you have the large walk-in as well. All right, let's go down 2 floors and we'll look at the basement. All right, we're now in the basement. Got new paneling down here, new carpet. We've got a bathroom with a shower. So technically 3.5 baths on this house. Again, you've got the walkout overlooking the lake. Very large concrete patio. New drop ceiling in here. This house has a ton of storage. You've got a large, wide closet there. Another closet under the steps here. And then we'll come back here to the mechanical room. See a lot of great storage shelves. See the furnace, which has been well kept, very well kept through the years. New sump pump, water heater, and electric.